Disability Rights Louisiana protects and advocates for the human and legal rights of all children, adults, and seniors with disabilities. Our work aims to empower the disability community to live an integrated life free from abuse, neglect, and exploitation. Disability Rights Louisiana is a 501c3 not-for-profit organization organized in 1977 to protect, empower, and advocate for the rights of persons with disabilities and senior citizens of Louisiana. The agency was founded pursuant to a federal law establishing protection and advocacy systems in each state and territory in the U.S. The mandate of the protection and advocacy systems is to pursue legal, administrative, and other appropriate means to ensure the rights of persons with developmental disabilities in the state. What is the protection and advocacy system? Rooted in Rights, a nonprofit organization working in conjunction with Disability Rights Washington, explains.
All people deserve basic human rights. That's why Congress created a system of protection and advocacy agencies, also known as P&As, to protect and advocate for the rights of people with disabilities, because in the past, they have not been treated equally. For most of the 20th century, the phrase out of sight, out of mind was more than just a popular saying. It was the means for dealing with an unwanted segment of the population. People with disabilities were either segregated from society, locked away in institutions, or remained isolated at home with absolutely no services, not even an education. They were abused, neglected, and forgotten. Then, in 1973, ABC news cameras exposed the filthy living conditions and poor treatment inside Staten Island's Willowbrook School, which housed people with developmental and intellectual disabilities. It shocked the nation.
The doctor had warned me that it would be bad. It was horrible.
Finally, in 1975, Congress acted. They mandated that every U.S. state and territory have an official protection and advocacy agency. P&As go by many names, but their mission is the same: to protect and advocate for the rights of people with disabilities. Together, the P&As form the National Disability Rights Network, taking on issues affecting people with all kinds of disabilities. No other organizations have the sweeping access authority that P&As have. They go anywhere services for people with disabilities are provided, from schools to hospitals to prisons and jails, to monitor conditions and listen to concerns. They make sure people with disabilities are treated equally, with dignity and respect, and never have to face the same kind of mistreatment they saw at Willowbrook. P&As ask the public for input on which issues to take on in their communities. P&As can fight against abuse and neglect in residential services, to end exploitation at work, for fair treatment in the criminal justice system, for equal access to public education and voting, for accessible communities and services and assistive technologies, and countless other issues. That's the protection and advocacy system. Click here to find the P&A for your state or territory, and subscribe for more videos from the P&A network at Rooted in Rights.
For more information about Disability Rights Louisiana, call 1-800-760-9905 or visit our website, disabilityrightsla.org.